Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix Roblox not launching. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your PC or laptop, go to your Installed Apps tab and search for Roblox. Open the Roblox tile and uninstall it from your PC. Then search for Roblox download in a new tab on your internet browser and install it again. If the problem isn't solved, open Run by pressing Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and search for %appdata%. Now go back to the app data folder, search for Roblox and make sure to run this update launcher in order to complete the update. Once the update is installed, your problem will get fixed. That's how you can fix Roblox not launching. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the video. Thanks.